Hi, my name is Kristen Maas. I serve as the current president of the Anaheim Historical Society. The Anaheim Packing House has been an excellent example of historic preservation. There are very few historical buildings remaining. To have this repurposed may inspire others to learn a little bit more about local history. By the early 1900s, citrus is booming. In 1918, the Anaheim Orange and Lemon Association was formed. And by 1919, we have the opening of the Packing House. One of my favorite stories to come out of the Packing House was told by Shirley Walsworth.
When we were packing our oranges, we would hear that sound rumbling outside of town. Somebody would yell out, "The troops are coming, the troops are coming." And we'd run over to the side of the packing house where they'd pull back the wall door, and we'd all stand there waiting, and the engineer would slow the train down, and we'd stand on the edge like the Rockettes with their arms around each other, kicking our feet up, And then the troops were waving back at us and throwing kisses. And it was just a big treat.
So the end of World War II brought great change to the area. The population growth, along with the creation of the 5 freeway, the 55 freeway, all had a big part to play in the closing of the Packing House in 1955. So in 2000, the Packing House was purchased by the Anaheim Redevelopment Agency to preserve the building's history and significant architecture of the time.
The city of Anaheim was fantastic to work with, and they're very supportive, and they were entrepreneurial in their own way. We had the opportunity to put this beautiful building on the National Register. We have locals coming in and tell us stories about their grandparents or relatives that used to work in here.
The fact that it was repurposed in such a thoughtful manner and is now really the epicenter of food culture here in Anaheim is exciting.